Tonight, we learn about opening big hands. We already know that one-level suit bids promise 12 to 21 high card points, and that a two-no trump opening bid promises 20 to 21 high card points. Sometimes we have big hands bigger than 21. We open all of these hands to clubs. Here are two examples. Hand on the left, 24 high card points, a 6-card heart suit. We'll open that to clubs. The right hand, 22 high card points, balanced, too big to open to no trump, so open it to clubs. Left hand, 25 high card points, balanced, 3-5, 3-2 shape. Until now, we opened this hand 3 no trump. Tonight, we learn a better way. Open it to clubs, then rebid 3 no trump. If partner has a good hand, slam will be much easier to reach if we start with 2 clubs. The right hand, only 20 high card points, but 2 length points. 2 strong suits, plus a heart void. This hand just screams to open 2 clubs. Bridge is about more than counting high card points. The sooner we learn that, the sooner we become better players. 2 club opening bids are forcing. Partner can't pass, even with 0 points. In fact, partner owes us 2 bids in most cases. Let's move across the table and become responder after partner opens 2 clubs. We have 2 types of responses. First, the 2-diamond waiting bid. Waiting on opener to further describe her hand. The other type we call positive responses, which is anything other than a 2-diamond bid is a positive response. 2-diamond waiting bids do not say, I have a weak hand. It does not promise diamonds. It simply says, I can't make a positive bid, so I'm getting out of opener's way so she can describe her hand first. Positive bids, anything other than 2 diamonds. They promise 8 plus total points. That's high card points plus length points. They promise a good 5-card suit or longer with 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honors. 6-card suits don't require as many honors. 2 examples. Responder hand on the left. 6 high card points, 2 length points, 3 of the top 5 honors, ace, queen, 10. Respond 2 spades. Hand on the right. 10 high card points, a 5-card club suit, but it's terrible quality. This hand is a 2-diamond waiting response. This lets opener describe her hand first. Who knows? Maybe she bids hearts. Back across the table for opener's rebid. Now is when opener shows us if she is balanced or unbalanced. If she bids a suit, she's unbalanced. If she bids no trump, she's balanced, based on how many high card points she has in her hand. I've had 2 29-point hands in my life, and I rebid 4 no trump with both of them. Let's say opener rebids 2 no trump, showing 22 to 24. Responder only needs about 3 points to go to game, and if she has as many as 8 or 9, she usually investigates slam. If opener rebids 3 no trump, showing 25 to 27, We're already at game, so responder continues to bid only with enough points for slam, which is about 8. Let's bid this hand. Opener on the left, responder on the right. With 22 high card points and balanced, we will open 2 clubs. Responder only has 3 high card points. She can't pass, so she responds 2 diamonds waiting. Opener rebids 2 no trump, showing 22 to 24. Responder knows opener has 22 to 24. She adds her 3 points for 25 to 27 and bids 3 no trump. Another hand. Opener bids 2 clubs with this 23-point balanced hand. Responder, 0 points, still bids 2 diamonds. Opener, 2 no trump, showing 22 to 24. If opener rebids 2 no trump, responder is allowed to pass. Passing 2 no trump is the only exception to the 2 bids rule for responder. Our last example. Opener, 23 points, balanced, bids 2 clubs. Responder, this time 7 high card points, bids 2 diamonds. Back to opener, who rebids 2 no trump. Responder does the math. Even if partner is on top with 24, add my 7, that's 31. Not enough for slam. So bid the 3 no trump game. Doing the math always works to decide between game or slam. The 2 no trump rebid, balanced hand with 22 to 24, is how we show a no trump opener bigger than 20 to 21. Since it's still a no trump opener, responder can use Stamen and Jacobi transfers. Opener, 23 high card points and balanced, bids 2 clubs. Responder, 7 high card points, bids 2 diamonds. Opener rebids 2 no. Responder with both majors bids 3 clubs, Stamen. Opener bids 3 spades. Responder does the math. On bottom, 22 plus 7 is 29. On top, 24 plus 7 is 31. Not enough for slam, so she rebids 4 spades. Opener, 23 high card points, bids 2 clubs. Responder, 0 points, bids 2 diamonds. Opener has a choice. She can bid 2 no trump with this balanced hand. If she rebids 3 clubs to show that really good suit, that bid also says she is an unbalanced hand. Unbalanced hands typically have a singleton or void. To bid 3 clubs here misdescribes her hand to partner. If you're balanced, rebid no trump, even with a good side suit. Responder has a choice also. Over 2 no trump, she can pass with 0 points. Or she can transfer to spades, but that puts the contract at the 3 level. Which bid is better? I don't know. So I put the hands into Bridge Baron. The computer chose the opponent's hands. I played it both in 2 no trump and in 3 spades. Both times I took 9 tricks, so the results are about equal. Opener, 22 high card points, bids 2 clubs. Responder, 4 high card points, bids 2 diamonds. Responder rebids 2 no trump. Responder transfers with 3 diamonds. Opener completes the transfer with 3 hearts. Responder with 5 heart length bids 3 no trump. And opener with only 2 hearts passes. We play 3 no trump. Opener, 28 high card points, bids 2 clubs. Responder with 6 points bids 2 diamonds. Opener rebids for no trump, showing her 28 to 30. Responder with a 4-card major could bid Stamen 5 clubs, or she can just add her 6 points to partner's promised 28 and get 34, enough for the 6 no trump slam. Just for grins, let's count winners in 6 no trump. 1 spade, 3 hearts, 3 diamonds, 3 clubs. 10 winners total. We need 2 more for the slam. I put both these hands into Bridge Baron and let the computer decide the opponent's cards. The Spade King finesse works, but nothing else does, so we're down 1. So far, we've talked about balanced hands and 2 diamond waiting responses. Now let's talk about 2 club openings with unbalanced hands and give responder enough strength to make a positive bid. A little reminder, positive responses require 8 total points, not 8 high card points. They also require a good 5-card suit or longer, with 2 of the top 3 or 3 of the top 5 honors. Here are the 5 positive responses to a 2 club opener. Notice 2 no trump is in red. Some instructors teach it as a valid response. Many disagree, saying if responder bids 2 no trump immediately, it takes no trump away from the big hand. If no trump becomes the final contract, the big hand becomes dummy, a distinct advantage for the defense. So I ask that you not use 2 no trump as a first response after partner's 2 club opening bid. You might bid no trump later in the auction, just not as your first response. Promising 8 points, add opener's promised 22 points, puts us very near slam. Any positive response is forcing to game and often shows interest in slam. Partner opens 2 clubs. What do we respond with the top hand? 6 high card points, 2 length, good spade suit, respond 2 spades. And the bottom hand, 6 high card points, 1 length, 7 total. Not enough for a 2 spade positive response. Now, in the real world of bridge, most people will say this is good enough for a 2 spade response. Respond now with the top hand. 8 high card points, 1 length, good hearts, bid 2 hearts. And the bottom hand, 8 high card points plus 2 length, respond 3 diamonds. Remember, 2 diamonds is the waiting bid, so 3 diamonds becomes the positive bid. If our 2 club opener rebids no trump, showing a balanced hand, none of those bids are forcing. But if opener rebids a suit, showing an unbalanced hand, it's definitely forcing. Responder will have to bid again. Let's say you opened 2 clubs and partner responded 2 diamonds. Rebid the top hand now. Of course we will rebid our major 2 hearts. And the bottom hand, we'll rebid our long suit, the clubs, 3 club bid. 2 club open, 2 diamond response, rebid the top hand. Of course, 2 spades, our major. And the bottom hand, With 22 high card points and balanced, we'll rebid that hand to no trump. Top hand, 25 high card points, balanced, all suits well stopped, I would rebid 3 no trump. Bottom hand, only 21 high card points, but 2 length points, still a 2 club opener. After partners, 2 diamond response, we're unbalanced, so we will rebid 3 clubs. Left hand, 22 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Responder, bids 2 diamonds. Opener, will rebid 2 spades, the higher ranking suit. Responder's rebid, she can't pass, so she bids 3 clubs. Opener likes that bid, so she goes to 4 hearts. Sadly, responder will be declarer. The big hand lays down. Left hand, 22 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Responder, 2 diamonds. Opener, 2 spades, her higher ranking suit. Responder, 3 hearts. Opener, likes hearts, raises to 4. Sadly, responder will be declarer. The big hand lays down. Left hand, 23 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Responder, 1 point, bids 2 diamonds. Opener, rebids 2 spades. Responder, can't pass a suit bid, so she rebids 3 hearts. Opener, with nice heart support, bids 4 hearts. I put this one into Bridge Baron, and it makes 4 hearts just fine. Left hand, 22 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Right hand, 8 high card points, good heart suit, responds 2 hearts. Opener, 2 spades. Responder, with 8 high card points, raises to 3 spades, not 4. This is called slow arrival and shows a stronger hand than jumping to 4 spades. That stronger hand says game for certain, but also slam interest. Left hand, on the bottom with 22 and a singleton in partner's suit, decides that 4 spades is enough. After dummy tables, let's count our losers. Heart ace, club king, possibly the diamond queen. 4 spades seems to be a wise choice. Left hand, 23 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Right hand, with nothing, bids 2 diamonds. Left hand, good spade suit, responds 2 spades. Any 6 card suit makes the hand unbalanced. Right hand, only 2 points, but 4 card spade support, so she jumps to 4 spades. This is what fast arrival looks like. Let's count our losers. With a 10 card spade fit, the spade queen should fall on the ace or king. Heart, ace, and king losers and club ace loser makes for 3. 4 spades should make. Left hand, 22 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Right hand, 4 points, bids 2 diamonds. Opener, 2 no trump, balanced. Responder, 4 points, enough for 3 no trump. Let's count our winners. 3 eventual spades, 2 eventual hearts, 1 diamond, 4 clubs. I see game plus 1 over trick. Last hand, left 22 high card points, opens 2 clubs. Right side, 2 diamonds. Left hand, 2 no trump, balanced. Responder, 3 diamonds. Left hand completes the transfer with 3 hearts. Right hand with 5 hearts rebids 3 no trump. Left only has 2 hearts, so she passes. And this time, opener bid no trump first, so she is the declarer. This brings to a close our 13-week bidding lesson series. It was a pleasure working with all of you, and I look forward to teaching Play of the Hand starting in mid-July. See you then.